Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I do have a quick craft that I want to share with you guys. You guys know I love earrings. Love earrings. I love making earrings. And this is something that I just recently started doing, and I just fell in love with it. And I started doing it, I guess, a lot. So I'm just going to show you guys some examples that I made so far. This is one pair. And these are super cute. I want you guys to be able to see, but I don't. Okay. It focuses, then it unfocuses. That's one pair. But you guys, I've made tons of these things. Like, tons of these things. That's one. No, that's two. That would be two. Duh. Alright, this is another pair. Y'all, I've made so many different pairs of these. I've made Gucci. I just print out like weird stuff, weird pictures, and I just go with it and just, you know, wear the earrings. You guys know I'm weird. Okay, so to do these, these are like little chips, I guess, that I use, but I actually did make these chips myself. I don't know how I came up with it, but I'm about to get all the supplies. The supplies that you will need is hole punches. At first, I was like trying to hand cut these circles out, and the earrings were still nice, but they did not look clean. Like, these look clean, professionally done. There's just, you know, nothing wrong with the edges. It's a perfect circle. So I went and bought a 1-inch hole punch as well as a 1.5-inch hole punch, which is the difference that you see in these, the 1-inch and then the 1.5-inch. And I use cardstock and I use regular paper. And I'm going to get everything, and then I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so as you see, I have my hole punches right here. What you want to do is you want to take your cardstock paper and just go ahead and punch out a bunch of circles, like a ton of circles. These are chips that I already have pre-made. They are very, you hear that? They're very solid. Now the thickness that you choose to do is up to you, but I think using 4 sheets is pretty solid and pretty good. So what you want to do is you want to take some Mod Podge. I'm not going to actually do these right now, but I do want to show you the process. You know, I pour me a little bit of Mod Podge, and I pre-count 4 pieces of the cardstock. So I even got 4 pieces, and I don't have 4 pieces of the 1-inch because I done already did them all. So let's do 4 pieces of 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I pretty much use these 4 and I glue them together. I stick them together. So I would dip my brush down in the Mod Podge and cover the whole surface in Mod Podge. And once I did that, I would take one and glue it together and push the edges so that it's glued. I would then repeat the process, glue it, pick up my 3rd piece, stick it on there, glue it, you know, hold it down, glue it together, repeat the process one more time, you know, cover this and glue, pick up your last 4th piece, push them together, and as you can see, it is a thick chip. And then once that chip dries, then I take my image and I apply my image the same way. As you guys can see, I have a ton, y'all, I make a ton of these things. I have a ton that I do, and all you need to do is print out either 1-inch circles or 1.5-inch circles. So once you would get your you know, your image cut out, you would go ahead and take your chip and cover the surface, the whole surface in Mod Podge, take your image and apply it on there and stick it on there. Really simple. And then once that image dries, you want to take another layer of Mod Podge and cover it. And that is what's going to give you that that glossy look. Yeah, y'all see it's like a little, it's like really shiny, and that's what gives you that look and that finish. And y'all, this is great to do. It's easy to do. It is simple to do. And if you like me and you like big earrings, y'all, I think I'm going to invest in a 2-inch hole punch, because I just love huge earrings. I don't know why, but I do. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And these are actually great to sell in your shop. Before I closed my shop, my earrings was selling like hotcakes, you guys. So definitely, you know, this is something that you want to look into. Like I said, these, once they actually dry, these things are very, very solid. Like they're solid. But you can also buy the 1-inch wood pieces. I also invested in those. I'm waiting on those to come from eBay, but you can also invest in those. But these things sell really well. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.